In front of me is Nokia G60, and today I would like to show you where you can find all text correction options available on this device. Begin with opening settings. Then scroll all the way down right away and click on System section. Now you need to select Languages and Input at the top and then click on On-Screen Keyboard. Now tap on Keyboard. And finally, click on Text Correction. As you can see, all text correction options are located here. Now, in order to switch on or off one of them, tap on the switcher next to the one of your choosing. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!